Atlantic Custom Woodworks Incorporated has been designing and building home and office furniture, custom cabinetry, entertainment centers, staircases, entry doors, mantels, libraries, bars, and more for over 20 years. Locally owned and operated, our experienced builders can make your design or idea come alive. We can create or design what you want with unsurpassed quality and workmanship. Whether for home or office, we have the expert craftsmanship in designing, building, and restoring. Please call or visit us online today. Atlantic Custom Woodworks Incorporated, 904-277-0068.